Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow.
Hi friends, oil pulling is one traditional ayurvedic method to naturally heal various teeth and gum disorders and to improve overall dental hygiene. Oil pulling is very effective in treating receding gums, swollen and bleeding gums, gingivitis, plaque formation and tartar accumulation on teeth. Oil pulling is nothing but holding a little oil in the mouth and gently swishing it or pulling it back and forth through the teeth. I made a popular video on how to heal receding gums with oil pulling. In that video, I gave the basic recipe for the oil to use for oil pulling. In this video, I am presenting an enhanced recipe for the oil to use for oil pulling that works more effectively. To make the best oil for oil pulling, we need sesame oil. Sesame oil is one of the best oils to provide dental hygiene. Its powerful antibacterial properties can reduce gum infections and prevents gingivitis. Coconut oil. Coconut oil can reduce plaque buildup, prevents tooth decay and treats swollen gums. Triphala churna. Triphala powder is an Ayurvedic mix which is a combination of 3 superfruits. This has been traditionally used to prevent bacterial growth in mouth, treats bad breath and prevents gingivitis. Fennel seeds. This is also called as somf in Hindi. This prevents bad breath and treats cavities. When you chew them, it improves saliva production and aids in digestion too. Cloves. Cloves have powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-plaque agents that prevents gum infections like gingivitis and periodontitis. Let's see how to use all these to make a best oil for oil pulling. I am making this recipe in a batch so that I can use this for up to 1 month. First, let's take an empty glass bottle like this. Take around 10 to 12 cloves. Using a mortar and pestle, grind them into a powder like this. You can also buy packaged ground cloves, but grinding them fresh is more effective. Toss it into the glass bottle. Let's take half tablespoon of fennel seeds. Grind them using a mortar and pestle system. Fennel seeds emit nice mint-like aroma when grinding. You can also grind them into powder in a mixer. It need not be a fine powder, it's okay to be like this. Add crushed fennel into the bottle. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of Triphala churna or Triphala powder. As I said, this offers great benefits for teeth and gums. Okay, so far we have added freshly ground cloves, freshly ground fennel seeds and Triphala powder. Now it's time to soak them with oil. Carefully add 1/4 cup of sesame oil and toss it into this. Again to this add half cup of coconut oil. That's all. Close the lid and shake it well. We have a cloudy solution of oil and the powder. We need to leave it like this for 2 days. This helps to infuse the properties from Triphala powder, cloves and fennel seeds into the oil. During these 2 days, shake the contents for a couple of times. After 2 days, you see that the powder is fully settled at the bottom. Using a strainer, separate the oil into another glass jar. You can throw away the leftover powder. The oil is fully infused with antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that works like a magic in all teeth and gum diseases. How to use this for oil pulling? Just take 1 tablespoon of the oil. To this add 1 tablespoon of water. Take this mix into mouth. Do not swallow. Just hold it in the mouth and swish it all around the mouth and through the teeth. That's all. Doing this for 10 minutes every day or on alternate days has been shown to have significant benefit in gingivitis, receding gums, periodontitis and other dental problems. Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.